is alive with the sound of Ivan, with songs of Ivan's rule of 51 years. Russia heard great change with the sound of Ivan. Great change we will capture and bring to your ears.
New torture methods and defenestrating kittens, secret police force and blood drops of victims, attacking my own city's destruction I bring. These are a few of my favorite things. Leaving so Russia realizes it needs me. They beg me to return with concessions to feed me. Naming myself Tsar, I'm the king of the kings. These are a few of my favorite things. Praying to God and burning some priests. Laws cut down serfdom so peasants aren't beasts. Making the nobles bow down and sing. These are a few of my favorite things. When my wife dies, when I kill my son, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
I am Ivan, some call me terrible, but baby, please just think. Some say beware, but I expanded Russia to our territory's brink. I made ports and dabbled in diplomacy with England and Sweden. Captured Kazan, Siberia, Astrakhan, lots of new land I win. And I modernized Russia too, reforming army and laws. St. Basil's printing press assemblies too, many improvements thanks to moi. Then my wife died 1560, and my reforms were through. Paranoia of nobles as bad as Chernobyl. Ivan the Terrible, it's true. In the end, Ivan's terrible game caught up with him, and he died playing chess. It was 1584, and Russia was thrust into the time of troubles, changed forevermore.